Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to unblock a profile on Twitter, on X. This is an easy process to do. You got two options to do the same process of unblock a person. And so the first step is go to the application of X, and after that you need to find the person you block. Like you go to the search. For example, I got the profile I blocked. And you got two options. Pick here in Unblock, and you confirm you at Unblock, and here said they will be able to follow you and view your posts, and your posts. And here in the superior right corner, in these 3 points, you can pick here and Unblock, and the only thing you need to do is confirm the unblock of that profile. You pick here, and that's it. You got all the information, the post of that person. So remember, you got two options. Pick in the button of Unblock, where said here in the option of Twitter in their profile, or you can go to these 3 points and pick in the button of Unblock, where you see a block. Here, when you block a person, here appears the button of Unblock. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.